Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. So after a long time again, I'm talking about Cardano at because friends, Cardano is about to make a huge move. Now, guys, you can see here in the last 60-minute update. So you can see here positive 0.52%. The Cardano price pump. So this is really a good news for all of you. And guys, furthermore, in this video, we are going to discuss a future move of Cardano. What will be the next move of Cardano? We discuss in this video, so keep watch this video complete. But guys, before starting this video, if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe my channel, so I request everybody to please subscribe now our channel for more news and update video, guys. So guys, if we talk about the right now price of Cardano in the market, so 2.19 USD dollar, that is right now price of Cardano. And furthermore, guys, you can see here is about Cardano that in a previous time Cardano very badly dumped. Only in August the price of Cardano increased, guys. But in right now situation again, the move of Cardano is not going good. Sometime the price jump, but a long time I found Cardano is in a negative move, guys. But guys, that's not mean that if Cardano not pumping, so you decide to sell. No, guys, Cardano is a future digital gold, guys. So first of all, I recommend for all of you guys that please hold. Never decide to sell Cardano as a future digital gold. And guys, huge possibilities that in the last of October the price of Cardano will again blow up, guys. So that's why I recommend for holding. And other side, you can see in the latest situation the price start pumping, so possibilities that they continue this pump for a long time, guys. Anyways, for more this kind of update and news videos about crypto, please subscribe now our channel for more update and news videos.